Everyone in the village knew the boy as useless. He woke up late while others worked in the fields. People laughed when his name was mentioned. Elders said he would never become anything. Children copied their parents and mocked him. Even his own family felt ashamed sometimes. The boy lived in a small mud house at the edge of the village. He spent hours staring at the sky, dreaming silently. Nobody asked him to help anymore. The village had already decided his future. One day, he overheard people calling him a burden. Those words cut deeper than hunger. That night, he could not sleep. He questioned his own worth. Tears fell, but no one saw them. The next morning, the village looked the same. But something inside him had changed. He picked up a broken tool lying near his house. His hands trembled, but he tried to fix it. It was the first time he tried. The tool broke again, and people laughed. He failed many times that day. His hands were bleeding slightly. Still, he did not stop. Days passed, and his routine changed. He woke up before sunrise. He worked alone while the village slept. People still mocked him. Some told him to stop dreaming. He stayed silent and kept working. The sun burned his skin. The nights tested his patience. Slowly, his hands became stronger. His mind became sharper. Small improvements started appearing. He fixed things others had thrown away. The village noticed, but ignored it. Failure still followed him, but quitting no longer crossed his mind. Hope quietly replaced fear. One day, someone asked for his help. The boy hesitated but agreed. He worked carefully and honestly. The job was done successfully. The news spread slowly. People were surprised. The same boy they mocked had changed. More work started coming. He stayed humble. He stayed focused. Time passed, and the village transformed. Broken things were fixed. Trust slowly returned. The boy stood taller now. His eyes held confidence. People stopped calling him useless. Respect replaced laughter. The elders nodded quietly. Children looked up to him. His family felt proud. He remembered the nights of pain. He remembered every insult. Those memories fueled him. He worked harder than ever. His success stayed within the village. No cities, no shortcuts. Just effort and patience. The village now depended on him. The useless boy became reliable. Silence replaced doubt. One evening, he stood at the same spot. The sky looked familiar, but he was no longer the same. His journey had no applause, only quiet respect. He smiled softly, not because he proved them wrong, but because he proved himself right. The village slept peacefully, and so did his fears. Success did not change his heart. It strengthened it. He helped others like him. He listened instead of judging. The cycle broke. The useless label disappeared. Hard work spoke louder. The boy became an example, a quiet legend of the village. Without leaving it, his story spread without words. Through actions, through patience, through struggle, the village remembered his past, but respected his journey. He once had nothing. Now he had dignity, and dignity was everything. This is how a useless boy became unstoppable.